So after you've done your daily maintenance filter, clean the filter pan and put it together with a new filter. What's left to do before you shut down the fryer for the day? Well, that's exactly what we'll cover in this video. First, you'll want to take your basket and basket rest to the dishwasher to have them thoroughly cleaned. Next, remove the rear basket hanger to both clean it and clean the entire area behind it. You can use a towel with a mild detergent to wipe both down. Once clean, you can reinstall the basket hanger. Wipe down the exterior of the fryer, including between the vats, the front including the doors and controls. If the controls are on, you can wipe down the face of the control without disturbing any settings by swiping up on the bottom of the control and then tapping the lock. Next, wipe down the side panels, then pull the fryer out to wipe the back of the fryer down. Once the fryer is out, it is also a good time to sweep behind the fryer and wipe down the wall behind the fryer. Go get your basket rest and the baskets from the dishwasher, dry them thoroughly, and return them to the fryer. Lastly, put the night covers on and turn off the main power switch. Nice work. Now the fryer is ready for the next day.